Use the discriminant to determine how many x-intercepts the function has. And we're talking about how many x-intercepts on a graph. So if you were to graph this function, how many times would it cross the x-axis? And we're using the discriminant again. If b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, you're going to have 2 x-intercepts. If b squared minus 4ac equals 0, you're going to have 1 x-intercept. And what that looks like on a parabola is the curve just barely comes down and touches the x-axis and then turns around. If b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, no x-intercepts. That means the parabola is either above or below the x-axis but doesn't cross it. So let's find the discriminant of this first one. It's going to be, b squared is going to be negative 8 squared, and then minus 4 times invisible 1 for a, and then times 16. And that's going to be equal to, let's see, 8 times 8, negative 8 times negative 8 is 64, so it's going to be 64 minus 4 times 16, which is 64, equals 0. So it's going to be 1 x-intercept. The next one is going to be 4 squared for the b squared, and then minus 4 times negative 2 for a, and then times negative 10 for c. So that equals 16, and then 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 10 is 80. Now this is negative, positive, negative, so 16 minus 80, which is negative 64. So that one is no x-intercepts because you have a negative discriminant. And the third one, the b is 1, so it's going to be 1 squared minus 4 times negative 2 times 4 equals 1, and then 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 4 is 32, plus 32, 33, which means you have 2 x-intercepts. You have a positive discriminant.